Okay, so look. We talked about this over and over and over again. I brought it up. I said, listen, this is bearish divergence. You know what I mean? And again, you had bearish divergence right here for like a fifth time. You had swing to the upside here, but here you swing to the downside. You know what I mean? And of course, all right. I know the beat will drop though. And when it drops, it's so much worth it. Will it though? Yeah. I do like this part. So swing up to swing up, swing down to swing down. Bearish divergence, even caught by my indicator, stochastics RSI with divergences. Caught the bearish divergence. Right there, clean as day. So we're watching the dollar index, and we've been talking about it. Now, it did get higher than the previous high. It broke it, in my humble opinion. It broke through the high. Not a good sign. My green level was a big deal. Okay? We look at it on the daily time frame, and this bigger idea here, is that, see, it's in this rising wedge channel. I want to see it break back to the bottom of the channel. It's very overbought at 110.18. Now, the thing about this is very overbought here at 110.18. All right? You got to give us something back on the dollar now. You know, you can't take it all, dollar. You got to give us something back to the downside. So, like, we're expecting some type of move here back to the downside. Then I want to see it break here and dump. Come on now. It almost did it here. Bearish retest. And then it got back in the pattern and made some. And it got love. And then it had the double top, which I wanted it to break. And it did. But look. This is a swing. That's a swing. That's an uptrend. Clear as day. Right? And that could be the top of the pattern at 111.43. Maybe the bottom there for Bitcoin when we finally get to the top. But again, here is a swing to the downside. You see that? But there's a swing to the upside, and that is bullish. That's bearish divergence on the dollar. So it keeps just here. It dumped on the bearish dip, but then it recovered off of the previous resistance. So it's got to break. It's got to make a lower low. We got to see the dollar down here. It's got to break trend. So low, high, and this is trend analysis. You have a high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Puts in a higher low. It's in an uptrend, and that's not a good sign for BTC. So we don't want to see the dollar index put in a trend. That's trend analysis. Who here understands what trend analysis is? Who just knows what it is but doesn't really know how to use it? And who here says they know, but deep down inside they truly like say it, but just say it. And they're just like, yeah. Because I used to be like, yeah, trend analysis. But I was like, I don't know what the heck. Like, or I knew what it was and I could explain it, but still didn't know how to use it. You know what I mean?